We started one of our chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it, and we have been looking for the 48.6. As we can see, the price exactly tagged 48.6, but there was no breakout, and it turns to a correction. And as you can see, every time the price broke the previous top, we see it turns to give us a correction. No one to know what's the next, because we mentioned if the price break 48.6, the next level we are looking for is 51.8. And right now, since we see the price tag 48.6, if there is a breakout, the next level, this is what I'm looking for. And if you put this top in relative to the previous one, if you refer to the indicators, we had a divergence. That's why we were expected to get one more drop, and no one see what's the next. All right. Anyway, we started the daily chart. As we can see, based on the daily chart, we are at the top. All right. When I said the top, that's meaning even if you move to the weekly, we are almost at the all-time high near in that range. And one thing we need to be care. I mean, we need to care at this point based on daily. If we put this top in relative to the previous one, we have a divergence. All right. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue. It can continue, but what we are expecting, we have to get the deeper correction before we get the next move. That's why we need, if there is a continuation following by divergence based on daily chart, it have to follow up with the deeper correction for continuation. That's why if we want to look for buy, at least we need to know about this possibility. And also if we holding the trade for the long term, we should know that at least we need to book our profit or more stop loss to break even. It depends on the traders and the strategy they use. Anyway, if we move to forward chart, we have nothing else. Still, we can look for continuation. And the next level I'm looking for, we want to see whether the price can tag 51.8 or not. That's mean if we get any opportunity for buy, still we can take it, but we need to be quite careful. And we have nothing to discuss based on forward chart. And when I move to the 1 hour chart, what I can see here, there is a possibility this one give us one more drop similar to what we had here. Any drop, reversal, we take the trade. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here, but what I can see here, mostly we can expect to get one more drop, then reversal from there, we take the trade. How about if the price continue from here? The only way is to put our entry somewhere above this top. Maybe we put our entry somewhere around 47 in case the price continue as a sharp move. But the best things is if this one give us one more drop and we put in relative to this one, the previous one. Still, we can look for continuation. But as I mentioned, based on daily chart, we will expect it to see the deeper correction. That's why if you want to look for buy, if you get one more drop, reversal is the best. All right. Anyway, the next level I'm looking for is 51.8. We need to be quite careful. Any trade from now, as long as we haven't get a deeper correction based on daily or forward chart, we should consider as a short term. That means as long as we get into the profit, we have to start to manage the trade. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.